Pakistan and China have reached what both sides described as a new broad consensus on deepening their strategic partnership following Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's visit to Beijing. According to a joint statement issued at the end of the visit, both countries agreed to further strengthen the China Pakistan all weather strategic cooperative partnership and expand coordination on international and regional issues. The statement described ties between the two countries as an important wealth and a strategic asset, adding that throughout 75 years of diplomatic relations, the friendship had remained rock solid despite changing international and regional circumstances. Both sides said they would move faster to build what they called an even closer China Pakistan community with a shared future in the new era. Pakistan and China agreed to maintain high level exchanges and deepen cooperation in defense, security, economy, trade, energy, finance, digital economy, scientific and technological innovation, artificial intelligence, information and communication, water management, and marine affairs. The statement also said both countries would consult on advancing trade liberalization and jointly safeguard the stability and security of industrial and supply chains. On regional security, the two countries reaffirmed what the statement called unyielding support for each other on issues concerning their respective core interests. Pakistan reiterated its commitment to the One China policy, stating that Taiwan is an inalienable part of China. Islamabad also expressed support for China's positions on Xinjiang, Hong Kong, Xinjiang, and the South China Sea. In return, China reaffirmed support for Pakistan's sovereignty, territorial integrity, national security, and development. The joint statement also addressed the Kashmir dispute, with China reiterating that the issue should be peacefully resolved in accordance with the UN Charter, relevant UN Security Council resolutions, and bilateral agreements. On counterterrorism, both countries agreed not to allow any group, including the Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan and the Eastern Turkestan Islamic Movement, to use territories to threaten regional security. Pakistan also pledged to strengthen security measures for Chinese personnel, projects, and institutions operating in the country. The two sides agreed to continue advancing high-quality belt and road cooperation and promote the upgraded version of CPEC 2.0. They also agreed to move forward with the Karakoram Highway realignment project, develop Gwadar Port into a regional connectivity hub, and strengthen land connectivity through the Hunjara Pass. The statement noted that third parties would be welcome to participate in CPEC projects under a mutually agreed framework. Both countries also pledged to expand industrial cooperation, including in textiles and home appliances, and continue collaboration in mining, oil and gas exploration, and agriculture. China agreed to support Pakistan's agricultural production capacity and facilitate greater access for Pakistani agricultural products to Chinese markets. The statement further announced that China would continue offering 3,000 training opportunities to Pakistan between 2025 and 2029. Separately, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif addressed a ceremony marking 75 years of diplomatic relations between the two countries. During his speech, the Prime Minister described Pakistan and China as two souls and one heart and called the current period the finest hour of bilateral friendship. He also praised China's economic rise and expressed hope that Pakistan could one day implement what he called a mini Chinese economic model.